Feel God's wrath. You have sinned. Hell is coming down upon you. Hell will break your bones. Fire will bring you to ashes.
And it's touching all of the hail. Look at everyone's looking at the window.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Holy fuck.
It's like snow.
Are we gonna go skiing tomorrow? It's gonna break stuff, you know?
It is.
This is gonna break stuff.
And it ruins cars too, you know? They get the
Yeah.
dimples.
You gotta, hey, think about all the new trees that are down on Place Bel Air. Think about all the new trees down on Place Bel Air.